Gururam Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear third class students, we will discuss about addition once again because of repetitive exams. See here from page number 21, workbook volume 1. Add the numbers. Add the numbers on the wings and place the corresponding answer in the center. See, this is the given butterfly. The wings of butterfly we can gain 302 plus 135. Then add it 302 135. First to add the digits in ones place, next to add the digits in tens place, next to add the digits in hundreds place. 2 plus 5 7, 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 1 4. Then you can write 437 where center of the butterfly. See here 437. Now next one 427 plus 561. 427 561. 7 plus 1 8, 2 plus 6 8, 4 plus 5 9. So everybody write down 998. Now next 323 plus 255. 323 255. First to add the digits in one space, next to tens place, next to hundreds place respectively. 3 plus 5 8, 2 plus 5 7, 3 plus 2 5. Write down 578 center of the butterfly. Okay, remaining problems you can do. Now next try to solve addition by carrying. By carrying first one is listen carefully. 578 plus 462 beta. 578 462. First write in column wise according to their places. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones column, tens column, hundreds column. First we add the digits in ones place. 8 plus 2 10. See here 10. In it 0 is taking right down in ones column and 1 is carry over to the tens place. Next to add the digits in tens place. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 6 14. In it 4 is taking a write down in tens column and 1 is carry over to the hundreds place. Next to add the digits in hundreds place, that is along with carry 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 4 10. This is the last place of the given number, you can write 10 directly. Sum is equals to 1040. Next 752 plus 839. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. 752, 839. First we add the digits in one space, next we add the digits in 10 space, next 100 space respectively. 2 plus 9, 11. In it 1 taking, 1 carry. See, 9 plus 2, 11. In it 1 is taking right down in one's column and 1 is carry over to the 10th place. Next to add the digits in 10th place along with carrying. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 is a 1 digit number, there is no carrying, you can write 10th place. Next 7 plus 8, 15. So you can write 15 in this column. Sum is equals to 1590. Now next 395 plus 273. 395 plus 273. First to add the digits in 1's place, 5 plus 3, 8. Next to add the digits in 10's place, 9 plus 7, 16. In it 6 taking right down in 10's column, 1 is carry over to the 100's place. Next to add the digits in 100's place, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Sum is equals to 660. Now next 646 plus 549. 646, 549. First to add the digits in one's place. 6 plus 9, 15. In it 5 taking right down in one's column. 1 is carry over to the 10th place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 is a 1 digit number and write in 10th column. Next to add the digits in 100's place, 6 plus 5, 11. Then you can write 100's place. Sum is equals to 1190. Next page number 22. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 1000. This is 4 digit number. So can you 6584, 2312. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. This is 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place. First to add the digits in 1's place, next to 10's place, next 100's place, next 1000's place respectively. 4 plus 2, 6, 8 plus 1, 9, 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 2, 8. Sum is equals to 8890. 2168, 3020. First to add the digits in 1's place. 8 plus 0, 8, 6 plus 2, 8, 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 3, 5. 5,923, 3,064. 3 plus 4 7, 2 plus 6 8, 9 plus 0 9, 5 plus 3 8. Sum equals to 8,987. Next third bit, add the following with carrying. 3,697, 2,997. First to add the digits in one space, next 10 space, next 100 space, next 1000 space respectively. See here. Look at the blackboard. 7 plus 7 you can get 14. In it 4 taking right down in one's column and 1 is carry over to the 10th place. Next to add the digits in 10th place along with carrying. 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 9 19. In it 9 taking right down in 10th column, 1 is carry over to the 100th place. Next to add the digits in 100th place along with carrying. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 9 16. In it 6 taking right down in 100th column and 1 is carry over to the 1000th place. Next to add the digits in 1000th place along with carrying. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 6. 6 right down where 1000th column. Sum is equals to 6,690. 7,653, 1,989. First to add the digits in one's place. 3 plus 9 you can get 12. Edit 2 is taking right down in one's column. 1 is carried over to the 10th place. Now next to add the digits in 10th place. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 8 14. In it 4 taking right down in 10th column and 1 is carried over to the 100th place. Next to add the digits in 100th place along with carrying. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 9 16. In it 6 taking right down in 100th column, 1 is carried over to the 1000th place. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 1 9 by. Sum is equals 9,640. Okay, remaining problems you can do. Next, solve the following word problems. See here. In a village there are 4,093 men and 3,586 women. What is the total population of the village? Solution, write down everybody. Number of men, that is equals to 4,093. Number of women, that is goes to 3586, the total population of the village. The total population of the village, that is goes to 4093 plus 3586. So this is the 4-digit number. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 4093, 3586. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. First to add the digits in ones place. 3 plus 6, 9. Next to add the digits in tens place. 9 plus 8, 17. In it 7 taking write down in tens column, and 1 is carry over to hundreds place. Next to add the digits in hundreds place along with carrying. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 5, 6. Next to add the digits in thousands place. 4 plus 3, 7. Therefore, the total population of the village that is goes to 7679. ఇష్టం రా రైట్. సో Now next question. There are 2560 Hindi books and 5400 English books in a library. How many books are there in the library? Solution. Number of Hindi books 2560. Number of English books 5400. Total number of books in the library. That is equals to 2560 plus 5400. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. First to add the digits in ones place, 0 plus 0 0. Next to add the digits in tens place, 6 plus 0 6. Next to add the digits in hundreds place, 5 plus 4 9. Next to add the digits in thousands place, 2 plus 5 7. Therefore, the total number of books in the library that is cost 7960. subtraction beta, remaining problem second. Page number 25, second bit. Solve these 3-digit subtractions. First one, 642 minus 321. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. See, 642 minus 321. First we subtract the digits in one space, next 10 space, next 100 space, respectively. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. Next 768 minus 643. 768 minus 643. First subtract the digits in one's place. 8 minus 3, you will get 5. Next subtract the digits in tens place. 6 minus 4, you can get 2. Next subtract the digits in hundreds place. 7 minus 6, you can get 1. Difference is equals to 125. 985 minus 146. See here, first subtract the digits in one's place. 5 minus 6 possible, beta? Not possible, because 5 is the smaller number than 6. Then we have to take borrowing from 8. It can give 10. 10 is added to 5. 10 plus 5, you can get 15, beta. Now 8, it can last 1. 8 becomes 7. See here, 15 minus 6, you can count 6 after to reach 15, up to 15. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 9, beta. 7 minus 4, 3, 9 minus 1, 8. Remaining problems you can do, okay? Next page number 27. Subtract the following. This is 4-digit number. Bit. Nine 9,702, 8,601. First subtract this in 1 space, 10 space, 100 space, 1000 space respectively. 2 minus 1, 1, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 6, 1, 9 minus 8, 1. 4468 minus 1357. Look at the blackboard, everybody. First subtracted digits in ones place. 8 minus 7 1, 6 minus 5 1, 4 minus 3 1, 2 minus 1 1. $4,890, 3,064. Look at the blackboard, everybody. First subtract the digits in ones place. 0 minus 4. Possible? Not possible, because 0 is the smaller number than 4. Then we have to take borrowing from 9. It can give 10. 10 is added to 0. 10 plus 0 you can get 10. So 9 it can last on 9 becomes 8. 10 minus 4, 6. Now next subtract the digits in tens place. 8 minus 6. Possible, because 8 is the bigger number than 6. 8 minus 6 you can get 2. Now next we subtract the digits in hundreds place. 8 minus 0 you can get 8. 0 is subtracted from any number, you can get the same number. Next 4 minus 3 also possible. 4 minus 3 you can get right up. $9,652 minus 3,063. Listen carefully. First the given number write in column wise beta. First subtract the digits in ones place. 2 minus 3 possible, not possible, because 2 is the smaller number than 3. Then we have to take borrowing from 5. It can give 10. 10 is added to 2. 10 plus 2 you can get 12. 5 it can last on 5 becomes 4 beta. 12 minus 3 you can get 9. Next we subtract the digits in tens place. 4 minus 6 possible, not possible, because 4 is the smaller number than 6. Then we have to take borrowing from 6. It can give 10. 10 is added to 4. 10 plus 4 you can get 14. 6 becomes 5. 14 minus 6 you can get 8. Now next subtract the digits in hundreds place. 5 minus 0 you can get 5. 9 minus 3. Next we subtract the digits in thousands place. That is 9 minus 3 you can get 6. Difference is equals to 6,589. Okay, today our class is completed. Thank you to all.